What are we on? Day 71? Didn't have time to juice yesterday. Juice right now. Wait.
Wait for what?
I'll choose.
Happy day 71. I juiced this morning. Started the day by lemon ginger shots. You want one?
Yeah.
Is there fruits in it?
Lemon and ginger. He's making his oatmeal.
Yeah.
That ginger tastes hairy. He's drooling. Super greens. 2 super greens. 2 apple ciders.
Come on, let's watch Kid Danger.
Freaking love her some Kid Danger.
Come on.
I only have 2 days left of my organics nature.
Good for you later, okay?
And tomorrow,
I'm gonna.
sea moss gummy.
Do it!
Fat burner.
Wait.
Con. 2 scoops of Dutch chocolate. 1 scoop of vanilla protein. And I add 2 tablespoons of instant espresso. I use the Cafe Bustelo. Tablespoon of then you gotta add your ice. Shake it up. Shake your straw for spiders.
The spider.
Oh, I did not.
The best product in the whole wide world. There's napkins in front of you. Dishes and get some work. And then fold some clothes. Memorial Day. So the husband's home with us. I just warmed up some rice. This is jasmine rice. And a piece of chicken that I cooked the other day with some cucumbers, tzatziki sauce. I accidentally got this one and it's like tzatziki and spinach instead of tzatziki and cucumber. But it's okay, it's still good. It has cucumber in it, but they added spinach, which is weird, but whatever. I'll put that in lime and squeeze it all over my plate.
Yeah.
So it's jasmine rice, chicken, cucumber, tzatziki, and lime. The lime on the chicken made it like 9,000% better. I ate that the other day, it wasn't that good, but the lime. Anyways, I'm gonna take an energy and a multi And then I'm going to make my husband and I an extra mega tea. Because I'm going to make him go outside with me. And make us an extra mega tea. Because it's hot out there and I'm tired. Energy. You want one? There's another one out there.
What? Huh?
Okay.
Where's your basketball?
I stuck my phone to the cabinet and it's making me look short. Right?
Daddy, sweaters and shirts sometimes.
Yes, why? We're gonna go clean the garage. That's gonna be our workout for the day. Cause that garage, I'll show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the garage. And then I'll show y'all after what it's supposed to look like. We let that thing go. I'm gonna make some tea.
Cat, a kitten.
So easy to make. If you guys want these tea kits, check the link below in the description to this video and you can make these at home for yourself. They're so good. Alright, so this is our garage. Needs to be cleaned ASAP. Alright, we about to clean this thing. Where do we even start? We're done. As good as it's gonna get. I think it looks nice. Room to work out again. A lot more room. All of our weights. Nice and clean. Storage back there. Yeah. Yeah, man. Okay, so Kimura wanted chicken fettuccine. I cleaned the chicken. I took out all that middle parts, that middle thingy. So all of the pieces that ripped when I was taking out that middle part, I'm gonna cut up for the fettuccine, and then the actual ones that are still like intact, that one wasn't that example. All the ones that are still like pretty, I'm going to keep those and cook those separately because I need regular chicken too to prep. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up and then like pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, and now we're gonna go cook it. Alright, so the chicken is done. These I'm gonna take out so that it can be part of, it could be a part of my meals this week. And then the rest, all of this will be for, will be for the pasta. Go ahead, kill two birds with one stone. Now this is the chicken that's left for the pasta, and that's the pasta boiling. And we got the broccoli in there. kitchen, had a shower. Everyone is fed and good. Having a strawberry cheesecake shake. And I'm going to take all of my nightly stuff because you guys know I have to do that. So we're going to do gummies first. I'm going to do apple cider. Always do 2 of these. Sugar greens. These are my favorite. 2. Sea moss gummies. Tomorrow's my last day with Organics Nature, and then I can do my 30-day review. So that's pretty cool. We're also going to do some calm. So I'm going to take these to a calm. I'm going to drink my shake and finalize some last of my orders I got today while I was busy. Answer some messages, and then I'm going to go to bed. And I'll see you guys in the morning on the next video.